A good shortcut to learn is to save your search queries. This is important when returning back to one search and conducting research. So to do this, I'm here in my advanced search options, and again I'm searching for library and education. I'm looking for articles that were published in the last year. So I went ahead and searched this. As I scroll down, I see this thumbtack here. It says Save Query. I'm going to go ahead and click there. I'll go ahead and just dismiss this message. And now if I go ahead and scroll up and again click on this thumbtack, go to my favorites. If I scroll down, I have some options here. The second one is Saved Searches. And there it is, my last saved search. So now all I got to do is just go ahead and select that, and it will go ahead and search that advanced search. I hope this has been helpful.